What's going on, guys? Back at it again. Today I'm going to be working on my CRV, and I'm going to be installing the push bar. Well, I don't know what they call it, either a push bar, a brush grill, or a bull bar. um, so whatever they call it, we're going to be putting this on into the car today. Now I think the best way to do it is for me to remove the front bumper, and so it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, so today I just decided to go ahead and take care of this instead of having this part just laying around. I've already painted it, so this has the truck bed paint from Rust-Oleum, so I've already done that. Just a little dusty right now, but I have all the hardware that I need. I'm not sure if I have enough bolts, but we'll figure that out as we get to it. But yeah, so I wanted to just show you guys this, and I'll take a video of it after and show you guys what she looks like afterwards. All right, okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so I got the bumper off, as you can see, and I also went and took off this this cover underneath, and this one has the front bar that goes underneath there. All right, it's just two 12 mil bolts. Now, you know, the issue I have with this car is that most of its bolts are rusted out, and so this one was stripped, and I had to use my my bolt extractor right there. So I haven't decided if I want to put it back or not. We'll see. But I wanted to show you guys this. I know, looking around the internet, I'm trying to install the same brush grill with the hardware and everything. I couldn't find one with the same setup, and so wanted to show you guys, if you guys do have this same one. I know I mentioned it before, on eBay it's like 350 bucks for this brush grill, right? Okay, and so here I'll show you guys what I did. So from underneath, I had to take off these two 14 millimeter bolts. All right, and that goes right up there. Okay, and so what you do is you use one of the mounts and just put it on like that, and then use the same bolt up top to secure it. All right, so I just figured it out a few minutes ago, and so I was wondering why my placement wasn't working, and it was because I was missing, or I didn't take off those two bolts up there, so it wasn't lining up correctly. But yeah, so you just do both sides. So I have them set up like this, if you guys could see that. All right, and then I measured just so, you know, just to make. All right, so just so I know that I have the right width, I just went like this, and what I got was about 29 and a quarter. All right, now they're gonna go on the outside of this, and if you measure from the outside to the outside, it's about 29 and a quarter. So that setup is right. I didn't switch them or anything, but yeah, so this setup is correct. Now I'm gonna bolt everything up, and I'll come back to show you guys what's next. All right, all right guys, so let's rewind back. Forget what I said earlier about the bolt that you'd be able to reuse. The one that you took off, which is that 14 millimeter right there, you won't be able to use it. It's gotten too short, and with the additional thickness of this mounting bracket, it just you don't have enough thread to grip on when you bolt it up there. So what I did was I went to AutoZone and I grabbed this, which is an M10 1.25 by 30 millimeter in length, and I think that right there gives you enough thread to where you'd be able to mount this bracket on without any issues. And so I got 6 of them, just in case I didn't want to have to go back. And they sell them in 3 pieces, and so no matter what, if you needed 4, you had to buy 2. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to use for those 2 bolts right there. All right, and so I'm gonna take off the one that I got up here. That one, I think it's one of the spare that I have, but I'd rather put some new ones on there. So all right guys, let me continue on doing what I'm doing. I'll come back. All right, later. All right guys, so here's the next day. I just finished her up last night, but I couldn't take a last video. It's getting a little too dark, but I wanted to show you guys how she looks like now with the brush grill on. And as you can see, man, she looks good, man. The brush grill really made the look more aggressive, and yeah, I like how she looks like now. So here I kind of gave her a wash. She was a little dusty. The brush grill has been sitting around for the past 5 months since when I got it. So finally glad that I am able to put the grill on and give her that new look. Yeah, she looks way more aggressive with the brush grill. I love it. Yeah, so here's what she looks like. Alright guys, now the installation, it's not bad. You can probably do it in about 45 minutes, an hour. The grill is pretty heavy, but you just bolt it on one side at a time and you should be fine. What else? Yeah, so this grill, you can put on fog lights. I don't have those yet, but that could be something I'm looking at. But yeah, so I think the fog lights that they had on eBay that fit in here was about a 4-inch one. So it had a 4-inch height on it. You might be able to get away with 5, depending on how the bolt sits on there. But yeah, so like I mentioned, this has the truck bed coating from Rust-Oleum, so it's got like that rough finish to it. Yeah, but this is supposed to be scratch resistant, and so I didn't want to go with, you know, an all glossy look. And yeah, so I think the brush grill looks better if it's not glossy. The truck bed look, paint on it looks a lot better. Yeah, so all right guys, well, I'll end the video here, just giving you guys that final look. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Later.